Welcome in Slovenia. The floor is yours.
Thank you very much. It's a great honor and pleasure to be here today at the opening of this very important forum. Honorable Minister for Environment and Special Planning, Mr. Simon Zajc, Professor Matjaž of the University of Ljubljana, Faculty of Civil and Geodetic Engineering, my great friend, Čotomir Remek, who's Executive Vice President of the World Federation of Engineering Organizations and a member of our Executive Board. Dear students, faculty members, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here to speak at the opening of this very important forum. I, in fact, attended the first World Engineering Forum in 2012, which, in fact, was very memorable and which I rated as one of the best. I still rate one of the best that I've ever attended, and I'm sure that this forum will offer no less. The World Federation of Engineering Organizations is really proud to be one of the co-organizers of this very important event, along with the Slovenia Chamber of Engineers, a national member of the Federation, and the University of Ljubljana, under the patronage of UNESCO. On the behalf of the Federation, I would firstly like to congratulate the University of Ljubljana on celebrating 100 years, your centenary, and also the Slovenia Chamber of Engineers, also celebrating its centenary. And I look forward to the World Federation of Engineering Organizations working with your organizations for the next 100 years. Think of the contribution we engineers can make for a better world. The World Federation of Engineering Organizations is the peak body for engineering. We have some 100 nations as members, representing more than 30 million engineers. It is the voice of engineering at an international level and promotes the role of engineering in key issues that the world is now facing, especially to advance the goals of sustainable development through engineering. The Federation is recognized in this role by the United Nations and all agencies, including UNESCO. The implementation of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals is a key strategic objective of the Federation. These goals take an integrated approach for future development, combining progress and economic prosperity, social inclusion, and environmental sustainability. This focus recognizes that engineers are at the heart of sustainable development, using their ingenuity to develop and implement solutions that the world so urgently needs to manage its resources, protect our planet, provide basic amenities like water and energy to so many around the world. I'm so delighted that this forum will focus on 6 of these sustainable development goals related to water, to energy, innovation, sustainable cities, and infrastructure, and action against climate change. It's really pleasing to see the diverse topics to be discussed. Experts from every region of the world, in fact 51 countries, will discuss the latest technologies and advanced engineering for the design and development of infrastructure such as roads and tunnels, for the operation and maintenance of these facilities, buildings, and heritage structures. Importantly, the use of energy-efficient technologies on the agenda, critical for sustainable living in increasingly urban populations around the world. The preservation of our cultural heritage and infrastructure that is resilient against natural disasters such as earthquakes and the increasing impact of climate change is also essential. An important theme to be discussed this week is capacity building in engineering, especially in developing countries, and the need for quality education in engineering so that the world has the engineers that it needs to advance the goals for sustainable development. I very much look forward to the presentations and discussions and the many unique opportunities that this forum will present to develop solutions to the challenges we face. The collaborative approach among the international experts here this week and will be attending the forum will be a powerful catalyst to develop the best solutions that the world needs for sustainable development. My very best wishes to all those involved in the forum, and my very sincere thanks to the Slovenia Chamber of Engineers, to the University of Ljubljana, the organizing committees and staff who have given their time and who have made great efforts in organizing this important event. This forum is an opportunity to celebrate the past 100 years and the achievements of engineers in the past, but it's also an opportunity to look ahead and for all us engineers to plan a sustainable future and to create a better world. Thank you.